us on a tour of our Excellence Centre, a state-of-the-art facility equipped with a proto shop, proving shop, metrology lab, metallurgy lab, and VAVE war room, a space where innovation meets precision. Designed to bring ideas to life, the facility enables rapid prototyping and pilot batch production, ensuring that every product meets the highest standards of robustness and reliability before full-scale production. The advanced CNC turning machine guarantees high precision machining, delivering superior accuracy and consistency. The high-performance vertical machining center with fourth axis capability enables high-torque operations, making complex machining faster and more efficient. Powered by our IoT augmentation platform, we monitor operations, optimize processes, and enable predictive maintenance, all in real time. Our metrology and metallurgy labs adopt a proactive investigative approach to strengthen reliability testing, ensuring a consistent product lifecycle. Equipped with advanced tools such as the coordinate measuring machine, video measurement machine, digital microscope, and force testing machine, we measure intricate profiles, analyze microstructures, and capture the finest tolerances with unmatched accuracy. All equipment is digitally connected for real-time data processing. Our value analysis value engineering team, comprising cross-functional experts, continuously integrates internal and external customer insights, applying advanced tools and techniques to drive value engineering and cost optimization. The Forbes Marshall Excellence Centre integrates AI-driven analysis and IoT-enabled monitoring. The Forbes Marshall Manufacturing Cell Logic Interface, FMM-CLI, a homegrown traceability platform, ensures compliance with global manufacturing standards. At Forbes Marshall, we are shaping the future of manufacturing. Faster, smarter, and stronger, while ensuring every product meets robust Forbes Marshall guidelines.